Jabari Howell, big performance from you today. Can you take us through the game?
Well, it's a great game, you know. Well, the last match up against them come out and a sit back, so come out here and execute very well and get the goal we needed and get the 3 points.
Yeah, your performance. Can you tell about your performance? You
Well,
look extraordinary on the pitch there.
yeah, a great performance by me, you know. And I think I could have do much well.
The goal.
Yeah.
What was going to when the ball come cross?
Just one time it to the goal.
It was
Straight.
a brilliant finish. Where goal contribution is concerned, you have played a more unique role this season,
Yeah.
kind of float all around the pitch. Is that something that you enjoy doing?
Yeah, enjoy very well because I can play the 3 position very well.
You love, it's a fact that you love being on the ball.
Yeah, I love being on the ball very well.
Have you ever seen yourself playing as a centre forward?
Centre forward. Yeah.
I know.
When I was younger, you know, but now, yeah,
You
not
want
again.
because you want the ball.
Yeah, yeah.
But big performance from a Jamaica college team, showing the quality that you guys have. In regards to controlling the game, what do you think about your team controlling the game today,
Yeah,
even with 10 men?
Yeah, we can control the game very well because the players can do it. Yeah, so just sit on the ball and just move it around.
All right, Jabari. Big performance and congrats, yeah?
All right, respect.